Good morning Year 3, it's Friday the 22nd of May. Today's learning objective in maths is I can read scales in millilitres and litres. Can you remember and tell someone around you what is the difference between capacity and volume? Pause the video. Why might someone need to understand capacity and volume? What kind of jobs might they do that would involve these? Remember, capacity is the amount of liquid a container can hold. Can you order these containers in ascending order of their capacity? Read the intervals on these containers carefully and then put these containers in ascending order depending on the volume of liquid. Do the same for these. Read the intervals carefully on the containers and then order them in ascending order depending on the volume. And this last one, look at the intervals and then put these containers in ascending order depending on the volume of liquid in each container. Notice how the containers we use to measure volume are just like a vertical number line. What is the volume on this container? If you think it's 22, try counting up and continuing in ones until you get to 30. Are you right in thinking it's 22? Or what are the intervals in? The volume is 24. Can you work out why? Look at the scale here. Can you show me where 1 litre is? Point with your finger. How many millilitres is this? How many millilitres makes up 2 litres? Point to this on this container. Can you now point where 2 litres 200 millilitres is? Now point where 3 litres 400 millilitres are. The capacity of this container is 10 litres. Now what is the volume of this? How many litres are there? How many millilitres are there? Look at the interval carefully and have a think, and remember that there are 1000 millilitres in 1 litre. The capacity of this container is 4 litres. What does the volume of liquid show here? Work out the intervals that are shown on this measure and then write down the letters in your workbook and work out what the volume would be if it got up to your letter. Write your answers in litres and millilitres. Remember, there are 1000 millilitres in 1 litre. The answers are on the next slide, so pause the video. Have a go at converting these millilitres into litres and millilitres. So have a look at the sheets that accompany this video and they follow the same do it, twist it, solve it challenges as usual. On the do it, remember to read the intervals carefully on the containers and remember that there are 1000 millilitres in a litre when you're converting between millilitres and litres and millilitres. Enjoy the challenges set for you. Thank you for joining maths this week. Take care and have a fantastic weekend.